Victoria, emergency, emergency.
What happened?
The World Cup is coming.
That's not an emergency.
It is for football fans.
Why?
Because I still don't know who will win.
Nobody knows.
My cat knows.
Your cat again?
Yes, he predicts football matches.
Is he good?
Not really.
How bad is he?
Last week, he predicted a basketball game.
That's very bad.
He is trying his best.
So, who do you think will win the World Cup?
My heart says Brazil.
And your brain?
My brain says, please don't ask me difficult questions.
Very helpful brain.
Thank you.
I think Brazil has a good chance.
Brazil always has talented players.
Yes, but football is unpredictable.
Exactly.
A small team can surprise everyone.
That's why people love football.
Every match is different.
Every fan is nervous.
Very nervous.
During big matches, my father cannot sit down.
Really?
Yes, he walks around the living room.
Like a coach?
Like a lost penguin.
A nervous penguin.
Exactly.
My family is the same.
Do they shout at the TV?
Of course.
Do the players listen?
No.
Then why do people shout?
I don't know.
Humans are strange.
Football fans are stranger.
True.
Which teams are your favorites?
Brazil, Argentina, France, England, and Spain.
Good choices.
What about Germany?
Germany is always dangerous.
Germany never gives up.
Exactly.
My grandfather likes Germany.
Is he German?
No.
Then why?
He likes their uniforms.
That's funny.
Last year, he supported a team because the socks were beautiful.
Football fashion is important.
Very important.
Which team has the best uniform?
Difficult question.
Harder than predicting the champion?
Much harder.
Really?
A champion changes every 4 years.
And uniforms?
Fashion is forever.
You sound like a designer.
Maybe in another life.
Did you play football when you were younger?
Yes.
Were you good?
Let me answer carefully.
Okay.
No.
Very honest.
My best position was on the bench.
The bench is not a position.
It was for me.
Poor coach.
Poor team.
Did you score many goals?
I scored 1.
That's great.
In the wrong goal.
Oh.
My teammates looked very sad.
And the other team?
Very happy.
At least somebody was happy.
That's true.
I also played football once.
Really?
Yes.
Were you good?
Better than you.
That's not difficult.
Thank you.
Wait, that was not a compliment.
Too late.
What happened when you played?
I ran a lot.
That's good.
But I forgot where the ball was.
That's less good.
I had energy but no direction.
Like my GPS.
Your GPS?
Last week it told me to turn left.
And?
I was inside my house.
Your GPS needs help.
Yes.
Final question.
Okay.
Who will win the World Cup?
My heart says Brazil.
And your brain?
My brain says I have no idea.
That's honest.
Football is unpredictable.
That's why we love it.
Exactly.
Wait, where is your cat?
Oh no.
What happened?
He's sleeping on the football again.
Maybe he thinks he already won the World Cup.
Or maybe he is dreaming.
Dreaming about what?
Becoming the captain of Brazil.
Again?
Again.
Your cat has big dreams.
Bigger than my football skills.
That's not difficult.
Hey.
Sorry.
Actually, you're right.
Thank you for listening to Fremar Talks. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with a friend. See you in the next episode.